Okay, first one of the day is this BMW K75 Ultima. This is a returning client. He's got a few BMWs. This particular one has been sitting in his place in Spain. Only 17,000 original miles. He is getting ready to put it up for sale. So once it trotted beforehand, so we got our work cut out for us with this one. It's been sitting for a while, so I got a few bits to paint, a bit of chrome to try to sort out. We get these wheels all minted up, get the discs sorted, get these forks, a bit of satin black on there. This windscreen's looks like the clear coat has gone all wonky on it, so we get that removed. I'm going to do a two-stage machine polish, see if we can get that all sorted out. We will do a single stage polish on all this bodywork. This is up for sale. Apparently it's quite a rare beast according to the gentleman. If you're looking for a K75 Ultima, give me a buzz and I will put you in touch with him. It's got special suspension on it, so he said. Also got the bags, box, everything. So we're going to do our bit to it, get it all minted up, get some XCP corrosion protection on it, and get some polishing done. Watch this space. Just to remove the few blemishes that are on there, get a nice bit of gloss back to it. More than anything, I'm gonna have to work on this windscreen. I don't know whether you can see on here, but like I said, the clear coat or whatever on there is gone all wonky. So we will do a two-stage polish on that, get a bit of clarity back into that, get that fitted, and this is done. Okay, just working on this windscreen a little bit. To be honest, she is in pretty bad shape. I think the Lexan or the clear coat is all deteriorated on this. It's been living in Spain, so I don't know whether the heat's got to it. So a couple of runs with the diamond cut 3000, finished off with the 9000. Come up pretty good, not perfect by any means, but what a difference, look at that. So not easy, quite a bit of work, but it is worth it when you get a result like this. There you go, 4.5 hours later, this BMW K75 Ultima has been fully trotted and looking pretty freaking sweet. Oh, this has had one of our legendary full Monty valets, a little bit of extra painting, fork legs, etc. We've meticulously cleaned all these wheels, got all the old burnt on brake dust out. Like I said, I sanded those forks, gave them a bit of a dusting with some satin black, same as the front of the motor. All the side stands, center stands been painted. Everything's had XCP corrosion protection on it. All your underneath your tail section, all your shocks, all your engine, all behind your forks have been thoroughly cleaned. All your instruments, everything's had a nice little coating. What else did we do to it? We did a single stage machine polish on all the bodywork just to remove a few imperfections. Had a couple of marks on the front there. Look at the gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. Hardest part was this windscreen. I think the anti-scratch Lexan bit had gone a bit ski-whiff, so oh my god, that took me a good hour just to get it to that standard. Looks pretty good now, such an improvement. All done, 4.5 hours. Get yours booked in now, open 7 days a week, satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.